Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you 4 proven methods to make your first $500 online without any kind of investment. Now, I know these work because I've personally used 3 out of 4 of these strategies, and I have a good friend who's actually doing the 4th. So sit back and stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Don Bavaro, and on this channel, I talk about increasing your income using the power of the internet, specifically with affiliate marketing. So if that's something you want to learn more about, consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I've been doing this full time for about 2 years, and I'm always posting a video every week sharing what I know. First, let's talk about why I chose $500. It seems like a random number. I chose $500 because that's what I think you need at a bare minimum to properly launch your online business. With $500, you'll be able to buy all the software that you need. You'll have a little bit left over for some camera gear if you need it. If you want to run some basic paid ads, you'll have a budget for that. And you'll also have some runway to pay for a couple months of your software, and you're not constantly stressing about money. The worst thing that can happen to you in this business is stressing about how you're going to pay your business bills next month. Yes, you can get an affiliate marketing business started with less than $500, but you'll be doing a lot of MacGyver-style workarounds and half measures. Eventually, you're going to have to change those over anyway, so why not build up a budget and start yourself properly? So with that out of the way, let's begin. All right, so my first method involves good old Facebook Marketplace. Now, most people don't realize this, but there's a lot of people who list stuff for free on Facebook Marketplace. So the first thing that we're going to do here to find the free stuff here on Facebook Marketplace is we're going to type free into the search bar. This is going to pull up everything, but a lot of people are running free shipping or free this. It's going to go through, this isn't actually free stuff yet. So we're going to go to the price here and put max of $1. So now that you have your filter set, now you should just start kind of scroll and look to see what's out there. So we're going to go down here and we're going to look, doing this in real time. Now the TV is pretty big, but you could probably get $50 or $100 for that. Obviously something that can fit in your car easier will work, but those are the types of things that typically don't last. Like for instance, let's look here, a free printer. Let's go into here. This is something fits on a passenger seat. It's very easy. You drive up to the person and just take it. That is easily a $30 item if you go and resell it. But let's just say, I have an HP printer, wireless printer. Let's see what they're going for. 30 bucks, $18, $45, $70. So that's, again, that's a good $30 item that you just have to drive up, get, and then you can relist and sell it fairly quickly. But where the real money is in the free items on Facebook Marketplace is in furniture and larger items. So again, if you have a truck or have a friend with a truck you want to do this with, this is where you're going to make the most money and get your $500 the quickest. For instance, this dresser, free at the curb, come pick it up. Let's go see what dressers are going for on Marketplace. Something similar, 300 bucks, 100 bucks, $150. Go through is $75. So that's probably a $100 item. So if you find something like a dresser or like a nightstand, something like that, you'll be able to make money at a good clip. Now, for a bonus tip to find items that are not listed on Facebook Marketplace, but you can grab a lot of free stuff that's high quality and high dollar. What you want to do is you want to find a higher end neighborhood in a resort type area. I'm going to show you something like this. So I'm from New Jersey, and I actually got my start selling cars in Seagirt. Okay, I sold GMCs, and I had customers that would come in that, this is the Jersey Shore, this is Monmouth County if you're not familiar with the area. If you're not familiar with the area, this is a fairly wealthy area. Real estate's not cheap, and certainly customers that had come in, some customers would have way more money than they did time. Now, I had a friend at the dealership who was gifted a 1995 Ford F-350. A customer bought a brand new GMC Denali truck, and they had this old work truck from their business. It was a running, driving 7.3 diesel Ford. If you're not in the car business, it means nothing to you, but that's a couple $1,000 truck. The customer basically went to this guy and was like, "We have this old truck. We don't know what to do with it. We can't be bothered. Do you want it?" Didn't want money, didn't want to trade it. They just wanted this truck gone. And I remember sitting at the desk next to them and going like, did that just happen? They offered him a couple $1,000 truck for nothing. Turns out that customer was from Deal. Now, Deal is a resort town with some pretty high dollar real estate. Let's look at just normal unfiltered real estate listings from Deal. Now we look at that's what's for sale. I mean, they're 5.5, 6.9, $6.5 million houses. The people who live in these neighborhoods, really, they have the money to buy convenience. And what they do is when they're done with their stuff, they don't list it on Facebook Marketplace to get $100 or $200 for it. They'll just throw it out, put it at the curb because they can't be bothered. I've driven through this neighborhood just after Labor Day, just after Columbus Day, right when the beach season is closing. And all the curbs have all of their stuff that they're throwing out just because it's out of style. There's nothing wrong with it. It's 2-year-old stuff. And someone who lives in a $6 million home, they're buying high-end stuff. They might have a $10,000 patio set that they just want to change. And you know what? They bought a new one. They're going to get rid of the old one, stick it on the curb. Someone's going to come get it. So if you, again, have a truck, have a friend with a truck, find a neighborhood like this that is higher end, a wealthy neighborhood, drive through at the end of the resort season when people are getting rid of their stuff and you can score some good stuff that's not listed on Facebook Marketplace, and you'll have something you might be able to sell for a couple $100. Okay, so the next method we're going to talk about is doing freelance work. This method does not require a truck. It doesn't require you to leave your house. It just requires that you put in some time. It's important to know that when you're making money for yourself, you're always selling something, whether you're selling an item or you're selling your time. In this case, we're going to be selling our time on freelance websites. Now, the most popular of these freelancing sites are called Fiverr, right? Fiverr is so popular because there's literally any skill you can think of listed on there. There's something that you're good at out there. And if I guarantee you have a skill that people are willing to pay for, you can list it on Fiverr. So if we scroll down the page here and go to explore the marketplace, you can actually see all of the types of skills that are listed. I mean, graphics and design is a very big, hot niche. It's also very competitive. But again, if you have any of these type of skills, you can create a Fiverr listing in about an hour, get up and start selling your services, post about it on social media, and really just start making some money online by selling your time. Writing and translation is a good category. This is actually what I used to do. When I was getting started, I would write blog posts for people. I would write blog posts for hire. I don't do it anymore, but occasionally I have a network of friends. If they need an article on a website, I'll freelance for an article. But I charge 10 cents a word, which is a little bit higher, but you can start getting your feet wet writing articles for about $20 a piece, $30 a piece, $40 a piece. And if you write 5 to 10 or 20 articles, you'll get your $500. Now, the key to writing on Fiverr, and the key to really anything on Fiverr, any of these freelance websites, is that you're not going to charge your full price right up front. It's a mistake that a lot of people make, is that they say, hey, I want to make $100 an article. I'm going to start my listing at $100 an article. Well, no one's going to click on it because you don't have any reviews. You don't have a reputation. So what everyone recommends, and this is going to come as a tough pill to swallow, is you have to put your work out there cheap to start, like artificially cheap, like something you wouldn't normally work for, $10, $15 for an article. Get a lot of orders. You'll get a lot of people that are price shopping, but that's kind of without any kind of reputation or any kind of portfolio of work. That's all people have to go on is price. So someone's going to take a chance on you for $15. If you blow away their expectation, they're going to leave you a 5-star review. Get 5 or 10 reviews at 5 stars, then you can up your price to $30, $40. Get some more reviews, and then as you just kind of gradually raise your price until you're making the kind of money you want to make. But again, if you kind of scroll on Fiverr, there is all kinds. I mean, if you have a good voice, you can do voiceovers, you can edit podcasts, you can edit anything. Another website that's popular with freelancers is called freelancer.com. Except Freelancer works a little bit different than Fiverr does. How Freelancer works is someone will come onto this website and they'll post a description of a project that they need done. And then as a freelancer, you will bid on those projects. But it's the same thing where, there's 1,350 categories you can see here. If you have a skill that you're good at, you can 100% get work on freelancer.com. But instead of people coming to you and you setting your price right up front, you'll look at a job listing. They say, hey, I need a blog article written 1,000 words. And you'll come in and go, hey, I can do it for $40. It'll take me 2 days. Someone might come in and go, oh, I'll do it for $10 in 1 day. But that's just kind of how it works. So as you build up your reputation, because people can see your reputation on Freelancer, you'll be able to charge more money, take some more time to do projects. Now, the third site I'm going to show you is called Upwork. There are hundreds and hundreds of freelance work sites. You can probably just Google them. But in the interest of making this video less than 3 hours, I'm only going to show you 3. Upwork is kind of the same as Fiverr, but the prices are higher. So you're going to get a higher quality of freelancer. You need a higher quality of listing. So there's also going to be, you'll get paid more on Upwork than you will on Fiverr, but there might not be as much work. Now, if you're handy and you like assembling things, here's something that most people don't realize is that if you go on IKEA's website, people buy IKEA furniture all day, every day. On the bottom here, there's also something that says looking for assembly services. Now, do you see this little rabbit guy down here? If you click through there, you can actually you can hire a task rabbit to come to someone's house and assemble the furniture. $40 to put together a bookcase. I actually have something similar to this bookcase. It took me about an hour to put that together. So that's about a $40 an hour job. To do that, you head on over to taskrabbit.com, click over here, become a tasker, fill it out, and then when someone goes and requests this, your face will pop up. You'll get the request. You head on over, you build IKEA furniture, and there you go. Now, there's also other things that you can do on TaskRabbit. You can also do similar jobs like you would on the other freelance websites. This is just kind of an interesting little niche because they are partnered with IKEA. And TaskRabbit is also similar where you can actually set your own rate on there. So this third method is my absolute favorite because it is affiliate marketing on TikTok. But wait, I thought you needed money to start an affiliate marketing business. Well, not really. You can get started for free on TikTok. Now, if you're unaware, TikTok is a social media platform that is rapidly growing in popularity. It blew up in 2020, and any account can go viral. So this is actually my own personal TikTok profile that I've built since March. I've got 33,000 followers on there. Chances are you're watching this video because you saw something I posted on TikTok. How this method works is that you find an affiliate product that you can promote for free, and you're going to place the link right here in your bio. And then you're just going to post 3 times a day related content about either that product or the niche that that product is in. So to find a product that you can promote for free, the easiest place, the most popular place is ClickBank. I mean, there's a lot of information products here. To promote a popular space is health and fitness. So let's say you're into going to the gym, you're into working out. You're going to go through here and you're going to find something that's selling well. Custom keto diet. We're going to pick this one. This is the highest. Average conversion here is 140, or average conversion is $45. Or the next one here, Resurge, Godzilla of offers. That one seems a little weird, but it's $100, $115 commission. Steel Bite, go through them, go through the pages, find one that you're comfortable promoting. Go here and you can actually click the promote button, create your affiliate link, and then put it over here in your profile. Now what you're gonna do is, again, if you are into fitness, you're gonna do different workout videos, you're gonna talk about different recipes, healthy recipes that you make, things like that, just related content, but content that's not buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff, that no one's gonna buy. Create stuff that either tells a story, shows a lifestyle, content that's related to your product, but not actually about the product. And just keep doing that. You'll start to earn sales. You'll start to make some more money. Then you can start buying custom domains, buying more courses, and you can kind of get launched from there. But if you're willing to bend the rules and spend $1, back in April, I worked with Legendary Marketer and I put together, along with 3 other marketers, a TikTok course on how to make money and how to get started with TikTok. It's called 15-Second Free Leads. Link in description, shameless plug. What this is, it's a $1 course that will show you how to create your TikTok profile, how to create good content that people want to watch, and it's also going to show you how to monetize your profile without having a huge following. As you can see, my part of the course is talking about finding out what content your audience wants before you even create your first video. There's a couple things that I do that I exploded my follower count in my first 7 days of having a profile. What's also cool about this TikTok program is you also get access to the 15-day Business Builder Challenge. Normally it's a $7 product, but it's included free with the $1 TikTok course. That'll show you how to build your business from scratch the right way. And the last method that I'm going to talk about is called print on demand. This comes courtesy of my friend Adam Dukes. He actually does this in all of his content. And you see here on his banner up here, these 2 shirts that he's wearing with the kind of Coca-Cola font and the basic dadpreneur, those are both print on demand shirts. At the bottom of his videos, you can actually buy those shirts, but he doesn't stock any inventory. Here's how it works. He'll go on a site like Teespring, or maybe even Teespring. There's probably, again, like freelancing sites, there's probably hundreds of print-on-demand sites. So you kind of have to compare which one is better for you. First, you have to design something that you want to sell. Design something that's very niche related. For instance, Adam goes after dad. So he's got dad life, he's got dadpreneur, something that you want to represent. You're going to create a design for that. Then you're going to go on to a website like Teespring or Printful, and you're going to choose what you want to put that design on. It could be a t-shirt, it could be a hoodie, it could be a hat, a beanie, it could be everything. Because again, you're not buying any inventory, because here's how it works is when someone goes on and clicks the link, sees your listing and buys, only then will these companies create that product. So it's not like you have to buy 50 of these t-shirts, stick them in a box in your house, and then mail them out to somebody when someone buys. It's almost like drop shipping in a way. And you can do this without money because you're not actually buying the product until somebody purchases. So let's say you have a shirt for $20 on your website. Someone's going to come in, someone's going to click onto your Teespring, your Printful store. They're going to like what they see. They're going to click buy and pay $20 plus shipping for that shirt. What the print-on-demand company is going to do now is they're going to actually charge you to make the shirt. Say their cost is 10, to keep the numbers round, let's say the cost on the shirt is 10, you're charging 20. So you're going to have a $10 profit left on that shirt. Now the print-on-demand companies also charge a fee. Say I'm going to use 10% to keep the numbers round. It's usually between 10 and 20% depending on the company. So in this case, it would be a $2 fee. So of that $20 shirt, you get to keep 8. So the customer paid 20, you paid 10 for the shirt, 2 for the fee, and then you made $8 without spending any money. This is another method that you can pair with TikTok. Just create videos around the niche with a link to those shirts or a link to that apparel in the link in your bio. Again, if you want to bend the rules, maybe if you want to spend 15, 20 bucks on a shirt, you can actually create something, wear it, and then it makes it easier to sell if you're actually wearing the product. So there you have it. 4 methods proven to make money online without any kind of monetary investment. Good luck, and drop any questions in the comments. Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, hit the thumbs up button. That way YouTube will show you more of my videos. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the bell on so you'll get notified as soon as new videos get released every week. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments and share this with one friend. And if you want step-by-step instruction over 15 days, check out my link in the description for the Online Business Builder Challenge.